7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this you crazy mother.
Some beautiful weather today. Hurricane Hermine. All this out here. Check the sea glass tower. Frequently asked questions on what to do if there's a hurricane. Nothing. Nothing in there at all. So we're going to the aquarium. Hey. Sugar.
Say, turn it off.
No cameras.
I didn't get ready all that time to go out in the rain and get it messed up.
Really?
He's embarrassed.
Is this real life?
It's real life. Old ladies do it.
Hadley, what do you think of your mother? Let's go. Okay, I can't handle the terrible audio with the GoPro in the rain. At this point I am carrying some stuff we bought to the car. I'm going to move the car so that it's closer to the aquarium. This is a decision that I will come to majorly regret in a couple minutes into this video. So without further ado, the aquarium.
Jelly's sweet.
Totally.
In the sky.
Boing, boing, you can't
Dory!
catch me.
Don't
Boing,
bounce on the tops! They will
boing.
not sting you!
Menacing and terrifying. The shark has been menacing and terrifying for over a decade. Sharks can only be found in two places on Earth, the northern and southern hemispheres. Yes, the shark is a... What the... Man, look at that thing's teeth! Well, we're done at the aquarium.
That was scary.
Well, today was interesting. I will forever be reminded of Hurricane Hermine by this vacation. So the shirt is fitting, trying to reason with hurricane season. Got a collection of Margaritaville shirts. Yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Holy crap!